We are with Brandon and we're checking out the place here with all these cool stuff. Brandon, say hello. Say hello? Okay, let's go check out the skid steer. Where's the skid steer? Is that in the distance, a skid steer? Okay, he's walking over. We're going to check it out. Brandon, come. What's that? What is that? What is that? Skid steer? Or a tractor? Or a bulldozer? Bulldozer? What bulldozer? Say, what is it?
Tractor.
Tractor or bulldozer or skid steer? Skid steer? Okay. Let's go check it out. Okay. We're gonna go check it out. Oh wow. Look at this. We got a skid steer and a bulldozer, I think. Where? What's that? Skid steer? Let's go check it out. You wanna check it out? Okay. Whoa. You wanna step up? Step up? Okay. And okay, ready? Whoa. Look at that. Huh? Is that cool or what? Cool? Oh, okay. Cab? This the cab? Okay, that's the cab? Okay, let's step down then. Whoa. Oh, there we go. It's kind of dangerous unless you're very careful, right? Okay, whoa is right. So that's the skid steer. And now we're going to try up the bulldozer or skid steer? Skid steer? Okay, you want to go to skid steer or okay. You want to go check around? Look around? Okay, let's look around. Okay. Look around. Oh, what? Oh, the engine? Oh, okay. That's the engine, eh? Okay. Oh, what's this? A shovel? Where? Give me that. Shovel. Point. Where? Where's the shovel? Where? Ah, there's the shovel. Okay. Oh, okay. The roller? Okay. Let's check out the roller. Okay. What's this? You want to go up? Up? Okay. Ready? Wow. Pretty cool? Cool? Hello? Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. Wow, pretty big, eh, Ka? Pretty big? Okay. Wow. Hello? Oh, okay. You gonna steer? Go ahead and steer. Boop boop. Doo. Whoa. Look at this roller. It's a big roller, eh? Wow. Where? Okay, you wanna go down? Okay. Okay. Ready? Jump. Whoa. Okay. Let's go. Let's check it out. Okay. We'll go. We'll follow. I'll follow. Okay. Let's go check it out. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, let's walk. What? Oh, what's that? Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Really? Okay. Well, I don't know. I think we should probably go over there and check out the other stuff, okay? Okay, let's go over there. Let's go. Wait. Let's go walk, okay?
Okay.
Let's go walk over there. It looks like there's lots of stuff over there. All right. Let's walk. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. I think we're going to pause here and then we'll continue once we get to the other side, okay? Okay, let's just pause here now.